G'day everyone, I'm James from Westscan. I'm excited to bring you our brand new tool, the Manhole Cover Breaker Lifter with Gatic key. It's a combination of two tools. One, it'll break those stubborn pit lids, and two, once it's broken, you can lift the pit lid off and roll it out of the road. So what are the components? You've got your T-bolt that you drop into your Gatic T-bolt slot. You've got your pressure bolt, high strength steel, Gatic foot, and your handle. Okay, so drop it in, turn it around, the T-bolt, lock it into place, and then apply torque to your pressure bolt to break the seal. Now, a key part of this design is to make it easy as possible on your body. Once you've locked the T-bolt in, you can use a socket wrench with a socket on top or inside the 1/2-inch drive, or even better, use your 1/2-inch drive rattle gun. Now you can apply over 250 Newton meters of torque. That's a lot of force, that's turning torque, between the pit lid and the frame to break that seal. And then once it's broken, this will still all be locked in. The tool will still be locked to the lid. You can lift the lid up, put your roll bar in, and then pull your lid out of the road so you've got access to your manhole. So now I've shown you the components. Let's take it out in the field and give it a try. Alrighty, so we're out on site and we're going to give this a try on this pit lid. Now, I've never had this open before. It's a bit rusty around the outside here. We'll just get our tools ready. There is some sand and crap in the slots I just want to get rid of, otherwise I won't be able to get my Gatic key in. Waterworks a treat, just a great way to push all the sand and everything out. Alrighty, so here we go. Alright. Now, don't have to be super tight, but neat, because once the tool starts working, it creates its own little bit of wiggle. Everything starts to loosen up a bit, so it's always advisable just with these Gatic lids, just apply a little bit of extra force on there. Okay, no worries. Alrighty, okay, so we've got our rattle gun. I'm not even holding it. Slight bit of force. Come over to the other one. You can see the edge of that lid's coming up. Lid's loose. As you can see, the lid's loose. I don't need to lift it up all the way. You can see it's loose. We'll put it back down. And it's locked on. You can see that the tool did all the work there. The tool was doing all the work, broke the lid, allowed me to lift it up. I could walk away, one person. The rattle gun was just breaking the seal, and now the tool is ready to use for lifting and to roll our roll bar underneath, and then we can pull that lid out. Now the advantage of having these locked on and that pressure bolt still down, if I want to put that lid back on, I can just leave those set there like they are. Slide the lid back on, because you might want to open that up again. You might be going for a break, you end of the shift or something like that. But you don't want them to go locked down tight again and then be trying to break that lid again. So you might just want to briefly just close that lid up, make it safe, have it held up so there's still a bit of a gap, and then when you come back, it's just a matter of lifting that up, putting the roll bar underneath and rolling back. So manhole cover breaker lifter with the Gatic key. It's a new tool that we've got out, and it's a game changer. Thanks for watching.